Hi friends, let's learn to prepare compost at home from kitchen waste. I'm using carton box. Earthen pots can also be used. Make holes from all sides of the carton so that air reaches to every part of the compost. Bacteria feed in a compost pile and generates heat, but this heat can be maintained if the container is bigger in size. Put one layer of soil at the base. Friends, if your compost pile does not have enough air moving in it, bacteria which are depending upon the oxygen, unable to survive and reproduce, anaerobic bacteria which survives without oxygen. And this bacteria, they break down the compost very slowly compared to aerobic bacteria and making the compost smell awful. Spread all kitchen vegetable waste. Cover this with second layer of soil. To balance nitrogen ratio, add human hair, which are rich in nitrogen source. Even banana peels and dry leaves, freshly cut green grass can also be added. I am using eggshell also. Crush them and put it in the soil. Secondly, we can use the leftover tea powder. I washed and dried in the sun. I am adding it also. To maintain carbon, add wood chips or brown material, that is any carton pieces can be added, but care should be taken not to put any printed ink paper. Carbon and nitrogen should be proportionate. Now cover this with a third layer of soil. Now related to water, bacteria which are doing the composting work, they require water. But care should be taken not to overwater as it encourages anaerobic bacteria. For better fermentation, piece of jaggery can also be added. After 6 to 7 days, dig up the compost to turn up and down for the movement of the air. It should be continued at intervals. It takes almost 1.5 months for the compost to get ready. Now friends, how will you come to know if a compost is ready? White growth appears on the surface and sweet and sour smell are good signal that a compost is ready. Compost will be also reduced to half. Gradually it takes around 1 to half month.